Welcome back to another video. Today we were shopping at Harbor Freight at the parking lot sales. We're going to be going to a total of 3 stores, so 3 different stores, 3 different sizes. This is a bigger store. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. As you can see, this is a bigger store. We do have a lot of items here, a lot of compressor or generators, a few compressors, a power washer there. And that's the bigger generator there. Those are the 2,000 watts. And we got a horse. I believe it's a vertical shaft, or yeah, vertical shaft motor, Predator motor. Yeah. This store is somehow gets all these generators and compressors and bigger items because they have more space. But yeah, this is the only store that actually did a parking lot sale outside. The other 2 stores, they were a little bit smaller. They just did the parking lot sale inside the store, which it doesn't really feel like a parking lot sale. That's a great deal right there on that compressor. Go over it right now. And yeah, as it is, those are all as it is items. Yeah, that compressor is definitely a great deal. That is one of the medium grade Harbor Freight compressors. And then they do have some Daytona floor jacks. That's what catch my attention there. We gotta wait for tomorrow, Saturday, see if we can get them lowered. They are 85 bucks a piece. It is a low profile, so it's a little bit more expensive. I'll see if I can get them for a greater discount tomorrow. And we'll be doing the unboxing, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys can get all the notifications. Yeah, as you can see, they do have the scanners there. They got all kinds of stuff. They got drills, they got nail guns. Yeah, that is one of the drills somebody opened. But yeah, it's still one of the Bowers. They are 50 bucks. Tomorrow they're gonna be, I believe they're gonna be 25% off, so that'll be like I'll say about 30 something. Yeah, and that is a welder there for 75. So that is, I believe that's a welder that's always 99 bucks. It's 75 now. And that is a winch right there, 50 bucks. And then you got some Bauer power tools back there, impact guns, some area impact guns, earthquake, some sanders on the back there, you guys can see, framing nailers, a bunch of framing nailers. That is an impact gun right there for 65, stubby. You got a power washer down there. You know, pretty much a lot of stuff. This parking lot sale. Some reason this store got like super something with items. This parking lot sale, which is good because a lot of people are gonna, you know, pretty much at least get something, hopefully. And the way it works now is that I was just talking to the manager. The way it works now, because Harbor Freight did change the policy, the way they there is some Bauer heat gun right there. They did change the policy, so now all these items are discounted. That is an Earthquake XT impact, and that is a Bauer drills. All those are Bauer drills. That's a little stubby right there. more drills. Yeah, the way they're gonna be doing it now is that they're gonna be discounting at the launch price. It is already discounted, but tomorrow, Saturday, they're gonna do 25% from this price, and then they're gonna do 50% on Sunday at open. So whoever's there at 8 o'clock tomorrow is gonna get the items. I think that's the best way to. So yeah, that is the kit for that generator there for $329. Not a bad deal. It's a nice workbench right there, and that is the kit so you can merge 2 generators there for $439.99. Not a bad deal. Same thing with that Admiral. It's a really nice saw. I recommend it for you guys if you guys can afford that. $169 does include a blade. I do have that 10-inch miter saw. Works real good. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to go by fast because there's 3 different stores we have to cover, and I don't want to make this video super long. So I just try to fly by pretty much everything, so you guys would take a quick glance. If you guys want to look at something, you could always pause the video or rewind it and look at this video again. Or you can even go on the settings and look at it slower. I believe you can slow it down to like 70% or 50% or something like that. There's a winch right there. Some manager special. I don't really like these manager special types. That is an open box item. That's not as it is, so that those prices are not going to go down. They're just going to keep those as that. The orange tags are the only ones that are going to go down. So just to let you guys know.
I got some stuff right here.
I guess those are the items where Harbor Freight pulls. You know, if something breaks, a customer needs something, they just come to those and they just take out the ones that they need. Yeah, these purple tags, they're not discounted. And then that is the Apache, the big case for the rifle, or a bigger some more stuff that we got left over. I mean, not left over, but on this parking lot sale. Power sander, some more $2 items, miscellaneous. Floor jack there, compressor for $39.99, or not that one. Oh yeah, that one's $39.99. And that is the compressor we saw for $125 outside at the parking lot sale. So $174 regular price, $125 at the parking lot sale for this store. It's a 25 piece right there. You got some chargers, battery chargers, ammo boxes, some more manager special stuff. Yeah, these screwdrivers are really nice. If you guys haven't seen my video, I did compare them to the Pittsburgh Pro. So I did go Quinn versus Pittsburgh Pro. See if I can link that up above. If not, just put Quinn versus Pittsburgh Pro. 20147 the search section of YouTube. Those are some nice screwdrivers. Anyways, that is the second store. That's how they do the parking lot sales now. So they got a big old sign at the street with 2 tents, small tents, and you see there's no parking lot sale outside. Everything's inside. So that's how they can tell their customers that they're doing a parking lot sale. It's a nice compressor for $125. Some more engines there, Predator engines. I gotta say, tomorrow they're gonna be a smoking deal on these. Even a couple welders down there. MIG 170. That's 150. Then we got the titanium. It's a nice titanium. And we got some more items on this side. This is a smaller store. So, and then you got 2 generators there, 2 6,500 watt generators. That one's an 8. My bad, that's an 8,000 watt generator. That is a quiet inverter generator for $575. Tomorrow is going to be 25% off of that price. And that is the compressor for $125, which is a better deal than the other one because this was the upgraded version. And then we got some chargers right there for $17.50. Hopefully tomorrow I can get my hands into something like that. And some drills there, Bauer drills. They got a whole bunch. Mostly was the impact. Yeah, bunch of kits. So they had 6 kits total. They were all $50 each. So. And then they got some Viking jump starter and some polishers back there. I was looking at that chainsaw sharpener back there for $25. Not a bad deal. Some more miscellaneous drills there, power tools. Saw for $17.99. Yeah, I gotta say this time they do have a lot of items at all stores. Somehow maybe Harbor Freight was behind. There's the Cobra surveillance system for $200. And we're going to be looking at the third store. This is a smaller store too. They used to have the parking lot sales outside, but now they have them inside. And that is the Quinn area, so we're just going to take a quick look at the Quinn. I gotta say, these ratchets are really nice. I know you guys don't hear the clearness, but because I had it too close to the phone, but yeah, when you ratchet them up, they're really clear and really smooth ratcheting mechanism there. But yeah, really nice ratchets here. It's just too bad, that they had to do a small recall for a few of the ratchets, but it's just minimum. It's not safety or anything. It's just a recall because they weren't performing 100%. And since these are professional tools, Harbor Freight wants them at 100%. And they were even willing to give a free ratchet with every purchase that was recalled. So they are going to give you a free ratchet. Those are nice. I gotta do next. Stay tuned for that video. I did buy those two. I will be comparing them to the Quinn. So stay tuned for that video. Gotta say, really nice grip there. Gotta try them out. And those are the Icon wrenches. Some ratcheting and some normal wrenches there. Combination. Gotta say, really nice packaging. Really nice chrome. Really nice finish. We gotta try these out. So I gotta just save some money, and eventually I'll save enough money to buy me a few sets here, so we can try them out. Yeah, that is the parking lot sale basically. They just had it at the front of the cashier. Like I said, these tags were falling apart, so I was just trying to keep them in the correct item there. So $52.50 for that nail gun. That is the Banks, which is a smoking deal, because this other gun was $70 and this one is 52. So very good deal for the Banks is better than the Centromatic. That is the Earthquake XT. I believe is the 3/8 impact gun. Does include a charger and a gun for $129.99. That is another one right there for $129.99. And then they had the angle drill, a winch for $50. Then they had the Bauer circular saw for $25, which is a great deal. It doesn't, I was just asking them, it does not include a blade and a charger and a battery, so it's just bare tool. So you gotta buy a blade. And that is a Bauer blower at the bottom. It was $40, by the way. And then again, these tools are all gonna be discounted 25% off tomorrow. So hopefully I can swing by real quick and pick up some of these. Anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and look for that. Look for some more unboxing videos that I will have if I buy anything from this parking lot sale. Thank you for watching.